lock again.
We're gonna go.
No.
Yes, we're gonna go. Okay, I have to go basically all the way to the left here. And we're back on the motorcycle. This time we're in Ho Chi Minh City in the south. I hope you enjoyed already the videos of Hanoi and Ha Giang Loop. So let's go. See you later. Thank you.
I was getting pretty used to riding the semi-automatic scooter after riding in Hanoi and the Ha Giang Loop. You can find all those videos on the channel. So yeah, the traffic didn't really scare me anymore. You just have to know when to do what. Something I wasn't used to was the thing that happened next.
Pay what? 10,000. 10,000 for parking. Yeah. Ooh.
This was the first time in almost 3 weeks they asked us to pay for parking.
Okay, thank you.
But we didn't even have to pay parking at restaurants with guards that watch over your motorcycle. So this was really weird to us.
Yeah, it's locked.
No lock, no lock. No lock.
No lock?
Yes.
Why do we have to not lock it? No, we lock it. We lock it, no way. Why do you ask me to not lock it? But why?
No lock.
Yeah, but why?
No lock.
Why?
Yes, parking no lock.
But why? I don't wanna... No way. Kom ergens anders parkeren, joh. Kom. No way. No way. Yeah, we have to go then.
No.
We have to go.
You parking lock again.
We're gonna go.
No.
Yes, we're gonna go. We're gonna go.
We don't know why.
We're gonna go. No way.
Parking no lock.
Bye bye.
No, bán cái đủ.
Waarom de fuck? Kom.
I guess it's another kind of good of use.
Let's go. Fuck that.
We rode around to the other side of this market to park our bikes just on the street with no problems, but then this happened.
Okay.
No, thank you. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. No, thank you. No. We don't.
Als een begint, dan gaat hem wel zeggen, we moeten betalen. Dus je moet echt weg.
Needless to say, my first impression of Ho Chi Minh City was not that great. Our first stop was Ben Thanh Market. Ben Thanh Market is a famous destination for many foreign tourists from all around the world, and the market operates all year around. It opens at 6 a.m. and closes at 10 p.m, so it's open all day long. It has about 10,000 visitors per day and nearly 1,500 booths. So that means there was a little booth every 5 seconds, and everyone wanted to sell everything to you. So there was a lot of no thanks, no thanks, no thanks today. But they didn't exaggerate, it was okay. We actually bought some weasel coffee here and some snake wine. So after buying that stuff, we had to bring it back to the hotel. Of course, some time had passed and it became busier.
Ja. Nee, dat is die een toren, hè.
Nee, zie je nog.
Top.
At home, I never use cash, so I was struggling a bit with this foreign money, and as you can see, there was just no time to waste.
It's 100.
After dropping our stuff at the hotel and filling up the scooter with gas, we decided to go enjoy the nightlife of Ho Chi Minh City. I thought it was busy in Hanoi and in Ho Chi Minh during the day, but then it became nighttime and it became twice as busy.
In dat straatje daar. Okay, I have to go basically all the way to the left here. Can't see shit.
I've had some experience in Hanoi and on the Ha Giang Loop, otherwise this would be even more stress. But eventually we got off the bikes and we walked through the party streets of Ho Chi Minh City.
No, thank you. No, it's good. Bye, Danny. No, thank you. Hey, no, thank you. Hey, no, thank you. I'm gonna ride. Thank you. Huh? No, thank you. It's okay, it's okay. No, thank you. No, thank you. It's okay.
So yeah, this was our day in Ho Chi Minh. I'm not a person that particularly enjoys this type of things, but I thought it was a cool experience. I have some bonus footage that I want to show you that I don't want to make a separate video about. This is Kai Be Fruit Island, really cool place. It's only accessible by ferry and most roads are only accessible with the scooters. So this was again a really unique experience. With this last image of the durian fruit, I will leave you. Stay bright and upright.